Hey guys, so I brought several of my tech accessories to my travels lately, like my trip to CES 2024, and now that it's spring, it's travel season again. Today I'm taking you with me to review these clever accessories for the Apple ecosystem, but they make products for outside of it as well. Hopefully this helps build a solution for you when traveling or on the go. Links below. Give this a like if it helps, and let me know if you want a more in-depth review for any of them. First, you can avoid the hassle of bringing so many wall breaks adapters by buying this giant one from Insignia. The Insignia Fast Charger Kit. There are two ways to use it. Either plug it straight into the wall or use the 6-foot power cord that comes with it. It holds 100 watts and splits them with 4 ports. 2 USB-A ports, which are the bigger ones, and 2 USB-C ports. So you can charge anything from a laptop to a phone to a smartwatch, anything that uses these USB connectors. The images here are suggestive and not limited to just iPhones and laptops. Whichever helps you achieve that cleaner look. Or if you want all your ports to be visible, you could use this idea, like put all your accessories on top of it like this. So many ways you could use it. And if all these ports aren't enough, you can buy another one to stack on top of it. That's why there's another hole right here. Of course, this is heavier than the usual wall brick, but it's easier to pack and it makes things simpler. And the full price is $99.99. I got it at Best Buy. I couldn't find it on Amazon, but I did provide links below for more affordable ones. Check it out. Supports the channel too if you use that link. Save even more clutter and bring less cords with the next accessory. The portable 3-in-1 charger from CloudyPal. Doesn't look like much, but 3 steps. And you got portable dock. Also links below on this. I plug this into the multi-port charger that I mentioned earlier, and then plug in my phone, Apple Watch, and any wirelessly charged accessories on the inner part here. Again, it easily assembles and disassembles with magnets at its most portable form. So it's easily tucked into any bag or pocket. Saves space. And it has a decently strong MagSafe connection. It's perfect when my phone's laying horizontal, but I do wish there was more space for it to be vertical. Like, it looks funny when it lifts the whole thing. This one's a mini. The benefits are worth it though. I had different hotel rooms for a whole week and found different ways to use it, which also combined with other accessories. Like here, I'm stacking it with a wall plug mentioned earlier, which is also plugged into another external battery for my other phone. And it was a lot easier with easy to pack tech like all of this. And 2 months after recording this, I actually have been keeping it next to my bed, and when I travel for a weekend or whatever, I just stick it in my backpack.
You know what else is a perfect fit for your phone? Today's partner, Mint Mobile. Affordable, fast cellular data service that has saved me so much money and is easy to get started. I've been enjoying this and I'm not even tied to a long contract. As of the date of this video, all plans are now $15 when new customers buy 3 months. I got the unlimited plan with hotspot included, so I can attach more devices to extend my internet connection. Support the channel and check this out in the link at the description below.
Let's continue. When traveling, you're more likely out and about. From the Uber ride to the airport, hotel, and mainly the convention, I was with my Shieldon case with MagSafe for iPhone 15 Pro. It's $39.99 and available in other colors for other models as well, like iPhone 13 and 14. I chose this for a traveling case because it has 4 slots I have easy access to. It has extra magnets to attach to the rest of the case. Though I didn't use all of them, I did use my hotel key the most. In the airport, I was able to have my ID and pass ready. Rest assured that no one can scan your credit card because it does have a blocker on the inside. And it stays shut with a magnet to secure everything. Though the logo design and off-putting broken English isn't my favorite details, all the other details are beautiful. From the diamond-like cross-hatching pattern on the inside, to the subtle grain on the leather. Its soft, natural leather definitely feels natural. The website says it's handcrafted and has a lifetime replacement warranty. I love this unique navy color. I haven't found it anywhere else. The inner case feels like plastic, but it does feel luxurious for what it is, especially on the phone. With its subtle micro texture. Outside of the wallet, it seems to have decent durability, like other normal size cases. I like how you can use it as a stand too. You can use this in many scenarios. I was able to even bring it to my hotel gym because I do like to see my workouts listed, and I also log things as I go. So yeah, Shieldon. This one's the most unique out of all of them. The ProtoArc 2-in-1 Hub Mouse. It's clever because it looks like a minimal, compact little mouse, but it has a powerhouse of features. First off, let's talk about its design and functionality. Comes in a nice sky gray color. It sets up just like any Bluetooth device, except you can connect to 3 of them and switch between. More on that in a second. At its core, the ProtoArc is not just your ordinary mouse. It features an integrated hub that expands your connectivity options. Need extra USB ports? You got it. With USB 3.0, you get a decent speed for what it is. I mean, this is the first mouse I've seen with a hidden hub inside of it. You also get a USB-C port capable of delivering up to 60 watts of power. There's more. The ProtoArc even includes an HDMI port supporting 4K resolution at 30 Hz. That means you can easily connect your laptop or desktop to a high definition display without the hassle of additional adapters. Now let's talk about its primary function. As a Bluetooth 5.0 mouse, weighing in at just 2.4 grams and equipped with a USB-C connector, this mouse offers really good portability and convenience. Like, it feels like it weighs half as much as my Apple mouse. So it didn't really add that much weight to my luggage and my backpack as I walked through the airport and then Las Vegas. Second best part of it, I'd say, is connecting to 3 devices. That button to the left is where you switch between them. Plus, with its universal compatibility, whether you're using a Windows PC, Mac, or even a tablet, you're covered. Like, I'm able to switch between my laptop and my iPad. Or when I travel and I'm connected to someone else's computer, I can do that. By the way, months later, and I still haven't had the need to charge it. With its integrated hub, lightweight design, and being able to switch between different devices, and the battery life on top of that, the ProtoArc 2-in Hub Mouse is a game changer. Here I use the hub to connect to the hotel's TV, and then using the mouse to navigate. On top of that, I use the next accessory, which is essential to a computer. Also from ProtoArc, this keyboard here has a similar concept. Of course, it's also compact with its trifold design. Has a decent weight, so it's not too heavy, lighter than some other Bluetooth keyboards I've had. Just like its mouse, it attaches to up to 3 devices. Switch between them with a press of a button, which makes this potentially the only keyboard you could ever need. Only thing I can wish for is Touch ID, which I know is only exclusive to Apple, but that would be really cool. A way around that, at least for Mac, would be to use an Apple Watch to unlock your computer. It has 210 milliamps of battery capacity, so I haven't had to charge it either. And using the mouse's hub to connect to this hotel monitor and then the keyboard to access it on the bed, really convenient experience. I was able to edit with a big screen TV in my hotel. Absolutely love it. Alright, next up is the DJI Osmo Pocket 3. It's a gimbal slash camera, and it's the most portable combination of it you can have. Basically turns on by flipping the camera around like that. You can see how the sensor's stabilizing right there, and I'll flip it around. I mainly got this because of the face tracking. If you pay attention to the movement here, here, let me start the face tracking. This one's mainly for the vloggers out there, or if you want to catch things in motion really well without taking up space on your phone. So yeah, now it detected my face. You can see the sensor moving with me right here. I actually used this on my last video when I was at the Apple store trying on the Vision Pro. It also has 4K 150 frames per second. I know the iPhone doesn't have that yet, so check out this footage I shot at the convention. It was actually my main camera at that time. You probably notice it has a great wide-angle field of view for vlogging and scenery. Notice it's tracking my face as I talk, and I can also control it with a joystick if it veers too much in one side. I like to spend more time with it so I can really find its true potential. I'd happily share more at a full review. Now that you've seen some footage, let me know what you think of the stabilization. Go ahead and comment below. I didn't use Final Cut Pro to stabilize it, this is just straight from the gimbal. It even follows me from a distance, like here, standing up and sitting down. It also has an app that's connected to it so you can control it with your phone while the gimbal is distant. I wouldn't say it's essential, I would say this is for vloggers. It's smaller than a traditional phone gimbal, so it's more portable. There's a lot you can do with it. I mainly use it for face tracking, so I do want to make a more long-term video about it, so let me know if you want to see that. So yeah, good face tracking, stabilization, and portable. DJI Osmo Pocket 3. To wrap it all up, I learned when things are all in one and compact like these accessories, it is much easier to travel. Plus that long battery life we love. So I just had to share these. Comment which ones you're most curious about, or your own experience if you already own any of these. I'll update you when I find more or better solutions. I already have some things I want to try. I hope this helped. If so, give it a like, or super thanks, and subscribe for more. Thanks for your support, and thanks for watching.